Welcome to the Standard 3 students. Welcome to all of you to the topic India the government. India the government. Chapter 19. Chapter 19. The whole country is governed by political system called government. And so all of you open 133 page. 133 page. Chapter 19 the government. There are two types of government in our country. One is central government, another is the state government. The government is a group of people who govern a country or state. A group of people who govern a country or a state. The head of the central government is the president and the head of the state is the chief minister. And each state has its own government to see the progress and welfare of the state. Each state has a government to see the progress and welfare of the state. And the head of the council minister is called in the central government, that is prime minister. And the head of the council minister of the state is the chief minister. And the head of the state is the governor and the head of the country is the president. But the political system, prime minister is the head and in the state the chief minister is the head. But actually the state government, head of the state government is the governor and head of the state government is the chief minister. And head of the central government is the president and head of the central government is the politically that is prime minister and the head of the state government is the president. So the name of the two house of the parliament, prime minister and president, both all are combined to the central government. And the name of the two houses of the parliament is the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, House of Common, House of People. And according to the constitution of the country, the main function of the government is to manage the affairs of the country. According to the constitution, the government which is elected to govern the country is called central government. And India is a democratic country and people have right to choose their own government. It is a democratic country, so we have the right to choose our own government. And it is the duty of the government to look after the welfare, safety and security of the country. Okay, security of the people. And the Constitution of India came into force in 26 January 1950. The President, the Prime Minister and other ministers are important officers of central government, have their offices in the New Delhi. And the function of the government, it is the first duty of the central government is elected to govern the country. Second, head of the central government is the president. Head of the council of ministers is the prime minister. And the state government is elected to govern the particular state. The head of the state government is governor. In the central government, president. In the state, governor, head of the state government. But the head of the council of ministers is the chief minister, head of the state. Okay. So it is all about the Indian government. Government is divided into two parts, central government and state government. And the democratic country, because it is the democratic country, so we choose our own government by electing the representatives. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a nice day. It is all about the government and remember the chapter nicely. Okay. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.